Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am again before you with the solution of question 4 of exercise 13b. Before starting my work, my topic, I will like to request you all who are older or who are newcomers, who are new joining, please subscribe, like and share my channel for your further help, because I think my lecture is very much helpful about the O-level students, because this topic is little bit difficult and many students find it hard and difficult. Before starting this question 4, I will like to tell you the property which we will use here. This is the property when tangents from the external point are equal in length. Tangents from external point to a circle are equal in length. So if this is a circle with center O and there is a tangent, another is a tangent, both the tangents meet at point P. So tangent to the circle is the point A and the other point is B. So then AP is equals to PB. First thing, AP is equals to PB. Secondly, when we join O to A, it makes right angle with the tangential point. In other words, we can say that the radius of the circle makes right angle with the tangent. This is the first property of the tangents. And the second property is the tangents from external point are equal in length. Same with O to B. So this will also be a right angle. Now the second property for this is when we join O to P, yani center of the circle to the external point, the line joining O to P bisect the angle at origin O and as well the angle at point P. And we can say that angle AOB is bisected. AOP, major angle AOP is equals to major angle BOP. Secondly, angle APO, major angle APO is equals to major angle BPO. In this question number 4, we will learn to use this property. For question 4A part, Question 4A part, the figure is given. Tangents from external point P, one is A and the other is B. Sorry, A is here and B is here. Join O to A and B. Again join O to P. This angle is 49 degrees given and he is asking for A degrees. Same way, this is B centimeters and the length of other is 14 centimeters. So very simple. According to this property, A is equals to 49 and B is equals to 14 centimeter. This is A part. Now this is the B part. Again, tangents, point P, join O to this point as well this point, A and B. Again this is A and this is B, this is O, join O to P and angle C degrees is required here. Everyone knows this is right angle as well, this is right angle, this is right angle and this is also right angle. Acha ji. In this he has given this angle 32 degrees and D is required. This much is 15 centimeters. Now, as you know that this is the right angle triangle, we can easily find angle at O. 90 minus 32 will be 58. So C is equals to 58 degrees and D is equals to 15 centimeters according to this rule which is defined by the book. That's it. लो ये तो हो गया अभी. This में यानी कि ये question हो गया. Okay. Now come on towards the C and D part. I'm going to erase this A and B. You can see this question again and again by rewinding the video. Now B and C and D part. For C, and this he has given again the tangents from external point P. This is the point B and this is the point A. This value is F meters and this whole angle at O this is 112 degrees. And angle E degrees is required. Angle E degrees is required. Now you know that the line joining O to P bisect the angle at the origin as well the angle at P. So if this is 112, whole angle is 112, so half of this will be 56 degrees. 56 degrees. Now we can easily find E. Here is right angle, and length of radius, I think he has given 10 meters. Now for E degrees is equals to 90 minus 56. So E degrees is equals to 34 degrees. Now for F, you use this OBP right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, tan 56 is equals to F over 10. So F is equals to 10 into tan 56. Using here calculator, 10 multiplied by tan 56 is equals to 14.83. So this is F is equals to 14.83 meters. That's it. Now the D part. In this, again, there are two tangents. Point P, this is the point B, and this is the point A. O is the origin, join O to A and B, and join O to P. He has given at P, that is 35 degrees. This is 35 degrees given, and a line joining A to P he has drawn, A to B. This line, there is angle G, and there is an angle H. These angles are required. Only the angles are required in this. You know that this will make, radius will make right angle with this tangent, and angle G is required. And this line is bisecting from O to the line OP. We need angle H. If 35 is given, so 90 whole, this whole angle is 90. So 90 minus 35, you will get this angle. So using angle BOP is equals to 90 minus 35, that is equals to 58 degrees. And you will know that this angle is bisected, so, and OB and OA are radius. So if this is 58, so this will also be the 58. ये भी 58 होगा, और ये ऊपर वाला भी 58. BOP is 58, and this whole angle BOA is equals to 2 multiplied by 58. So this will become 116 degrees. Now we can easily find angle G, because this is your isosceles triangle. If this one is G, so this one is also G. Using here rule of a isosceles triangle, G is equals to 180 minus 116 over 2. So G is equals to 4, 7 minus 1, 6 over 2, 32 degrees. So G is equals to 32 degrees. Now you can find H, because OAP is a right angle. So in this, age is equals to 90 minus 32. Age equals to 90 minus 32. So age is equals to 58 degrees. That's it for C and D part. Do this question again and again. This is a little bit difficult and for a little bit complicated. So for question 4 C and D parts are done. इनके हो गए. Now last two parts I will make for these last two parts a new video. That's it for question 4 A, B, C, D. Students, like, share and subscribe my video. I hope you will well understand the parts question 4 A, B, C, D, E. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video for question 4 E, F.